Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 67 Russell Drive, an extended semi-detached family home offering beautiful open spaces and a real sense of character as well. We've got the lounge with wood-burning stove, equally sized dining room with access through into the rear garden, modern fitted kitchen breakfast room, two really good sized bedrooms and an 80-foot established rear garden. And then with that we've also got the off-road parking to the front and the workshop to the side. All of this offered with no forward chain, making it certainly a more peace of mind purchase as well. We're going to go through and take a look at the entirety of the property, coming through from the main hallway, taking a left-hand turn, through from that really nice, light and bright and airy hallway space, light coming down from the stairs there and that window at the front, and the lounge itself opens through with that gorgeous dual aspect opening from the rear. Kitchen itself, a fantastic modern space, again with space for white goods and some integrated appliances as well. And then you've got the access into the rear garden, of course, a little glimpse of what we've got there as well. We'll go out there a little bit later on in the tour to take a look at the garden. And then opening through from the kitchen, we've got a very good sized dining space, really nice amount of light coming through here, opening from the lounge area, French doors to the rear, and of course the windows at the side. A little glimpse of what the garden has to offer us a little bit later on in the tour, but for now we're going to head upstairs and take a look at those two really good sized bedrooms. We've also got the main family bathroom to go through and take a look at as well, and then we'll reconvene a little bit later on to go through the garden and see what we've got out there, and also go through a couple of the property's key points before wrapping up today's video tour. So there we have it. That has been number 67 Russell Drive, an extended semi-detached family home with the lounge at the front with wood-burning stove, equally sized dining room with access through into the rear garden. You've got a modern fitted kitchen breakfast room as well, and you've got two good sized bedrooms upstairs, and then externally you've got that 80-foot established rear garden, off-road parking to the front and the workshop to the side. All offered with no forward chain. This property offers the perfect property in terms of location as well. Very popular, very convenient location here in Russell Drive. Really do hope you enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. No doubt you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.